So this is a short video on what I mean by functional strategy and value chains, because one of the things we're doing in this class is making sure we understand how all of the functions of an organization fit in strategy. So functional strategy is the strategies for the functional activities that firm uses to fulfill its value proposition. They have to fit with each other. So if you saw the Alex Osterwalder video I assigned, this is what he calls story, but more traditionally we've called it internal fit. And we have see how this works if we look at a generic value chain. And generic strategy and value chain are things that are intuitively easy, but that we'll talk more about later. So a value chain has the value creating activities, and there's a generic set of them: inbound logistics and so on. Along the bottom axis, those are primary activities, and then support activities up above. And for, say, a differentiation strategy, there are characteristic ways that you organize those characteristic functional strategies, which we'll can't read on this slide, but we can read on this one. So for instance, if I'm a differentiator, I'm going to do inbound logistics differently than a cost leader. I'm going to make sure quality stays intact. I'm going to be consistent with quality. I would pay attention to fit and finish. I have rapid responses, customize, all those kinds of things are differentiation things. Then outbound logistics, accurate, responsive order processing, rapid delivery, timely delivery. Marketing and sales, strong coordination internally, personal relationships, and premium pricing, all characteristic of differentiation. And then service, I'm going to stock replacement parts. I'm going to have high quality service people and so on. And then in the support activities, say for procurement, I'm going to have great relationships with vendors. I'm going to be close to them. I'm going to have the best materials and rapid, right, technological development. I'm going to put a lot of emphasis on doing what customers want, producing differentiated products, and so on. And then HRM, I have to hire the right kind of people and train them in unique ways. So I'm probably going to pay more. I'm going to pay a lot of attention to performance. I'm going to do a lot of development. And then I'm going to have information systems and a company culture that emphasize high quality. So those are statements of strategy, the things that we do repeatedly that fit together to support the strategy, which in this case is the generic differentiation strategy.